Hey guys, welcome to BTLO Replay. We got an interesting lab today. This is called Ice Magic, right? But before we even get to the lab name, be sure to follow us on X, LinkedIn, and join the Discord server to keep in touch with the thriving BTLO community. Right, we got a lot of folks, especially after our B-Sides event, right? And our much social media posts. So we got a lot of people joining the Discord. So feel free to join up, chop it up, meet up here, and build your cybersecurity skills together. Okay. Now, Ice Magic, it is a part of the winter event. By the time you're seeing this, it's retired, right? So it's part of the winter event where there's 5 labs. You complete all 5 labs, you get a special badge. So this is a reverse engineering lab. We have two main tools, Ghidra and CyberChef. Obviously, there'll be other tools within the box as well too. I already got the box loaded up. All right, so we're gonna jump into that. But before we do, let's read the quick scenario real quick. Our team at the railyard maintenance facility have just reported an incident. An operator noticed a ransomware note on the desktop, and it says all our files have been frozen. We tried to load our employee database and recall the IT staff, but the file won't open. We really need some help down here getting out of the situation. The maintenance supervisor has sent over a copy of the database they were unable to read. They said they included the ransomware note, but I think they messed up. There's some other weird file, but you're the expert, so have you take a look. Sorry, my reading sucks. I'm sorry, I can't read. If this was in Braille, probably, all right? But all right, I think we got that done already. I already got the lab booted up, because right now, dude, traffic is crazy. People are, I don't even want to talk about it, but it took some time to boot this up. So we're going to jump into that, and I'll see you guys there. All right, we are in the lab Ice Magic. As you can see, we've got a beautiful background. Again, shout out to the design team at SPT. All right, there's our scenario. All right, our IP address, all that good stuff. All right, so looks like we have CyberChef here. Again, you're going to have tools that are within the box that are not labeled, so keep that in mind. We have a Ghidra folder, and we have artifacts. All right, let's see what's in here. Sweet. Let's get started with question 1. What is the MD5 hash of the binary? Let's go to the artifacts. Sorry, I just woke up. Let's go to the artifacts. So we have an employee list. I wonder if we could... Whoa. All right. This is in some ancient language I can't decipher. All right. Actually, what kind of file is Ice Magic, actually? Let's see, properties. I know with Linux, it doesn't really show the extension. I could probably look at this in the CLI instead of the GUI, so we'll leave that alone. What we're going to do is, let's see. Let me actually boot up the CLI. Yeah, let's do this real quick. All right, let's do a quick ls, see where we're at. We're going to, I believe it's in desktop. ls. Oh, let's go into artifacts. That'll be the logical choice. All right, let's see what's in here. So we have Ice Magic. Oh, so it's in green. Let's see, ls-l. Oh no, that's a file. Damn, what's that Linux command? Hold on. Ah, there we go. That's what I was looking for. So it seems to be, looks like an executable, if I'm not mistaken. Elf in Linux executable. All right. Correct me if I'm wrong. All right, so I was correct. An elf is a executable file within Linux. Is short for executable and linkable format. All right, so just wanted to verify myself there. Little fun Linux tip right there. All right, let's get back to the lab. All right, so we're back. Let's see, so we know it's executable. So looking at the question now, the binary, I'm assuming it's talking about the executable. So let's run, what's the Linux command? I believe it's MD, I could be wrong, MD5 sum? It's different because I use Mac as well too, and they do different over there. Ice Magic. Oh nope, that's lowercase. All right, so it looks like we got the MD5 hash. I am actually tempted to put it in VT, so let's copy that, place that in there. Yeah, so that worked. Let's actually load up Ghidra, see if that could help us. All right, so I'll be right back. All right, had to spin up Ghidra on Ice Magic, so we got some good detail. As you can see, so Crompon, if you guys are not familiar, that is on the home page. Well, by the time you're seeing this, is not there. But I'll throw in a screenshot of Crompon. That's a fictional character that's an enemy, an adversary in this event. So we're getting some good files. We got the MD5 hash from earlier, which correlates with that. Close this out. Hopefully this is not blocked. Remember, we're looking at how many user provided parameter is the binary expecting. User provided parameter. Okay. Ghidra's a beast. So what we could do, good, scroll around here, see if we could find something. There, wait, is that, hold on. User provided parameter, as you can see right here. Wow, I just scrolled to that. And you can already see parameter highlighted in purple. So if parameter 1 equals 2, send beacon. Oof. So 1. User provided parameter, it is the binary. Let's try 1. Yeah, that was, it took relatively a long time to spin it up, but as you can see, it's right here. I'm gonna keep Ghidra open just in case we need to use it in the future, but yeah, that was a good one. Oh, look, don't leave this on the victim's machine. Yep, we got him. We're gonna minimize this. I don't want to lose this. What is this right here? Okay. I'll keep this in my bar right here. We'll come back to that. I'll minimize this as well too. Excuse me. Minimize that. If I close this with that, close Ghidra, don't save. Damn it. Oh no. All right, I'll be right back. All right, we're back. I got it back up again. Man, that sucked. So there we go. What is question 3 talking about? What is the IP address and port the artifact is reaching out to? Blah blah blah. We did see something about a beacon, right? I want to see if we could find that again. So let's see. Yep. Call send beacon, right? Oh, is that our answer right there? Yep. Where's the port? Hold on. Void, send beacon, void. So that's the IP address. 198.51.104. Void, send beacon, void. Yep. Send beacon, void. Let's see. H tons. If that's the IP address, I want. Hold on. Let me go on Google real quick. Be right back. All right, so just came back. I have a feeling this is the. Oh wait, hold on. Did it just 3345? So it's converted from hex to decimal. 33345. So I think that's our port. All right, I think that's our port. So let's put that. I'm probably gonna forget that. 3345. All right, and the question might. That sucks. Let's see. Oh, I think that's the IP address right there. Okay, cool. Let's try that out. And I'll explain how I found that. 4, it wants a colon. 3, 3, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, so pretty much what I did, going off of question 2, I saw a, what's it called? Send beacon, right? Call. Accidentally closed Ghidra, loaded it back up again, found that call, looked at the function, and as you can see within this code, right? It, as the question mentions, the artifact reaches out to this IP address and then this port, right? I had to look up H tons, but if you just hover over it, it already does the conversion for you to decimal right there. You can put this in the calculator or whatever, your favorite calculator, or Google it, ChatGPT it, but you can just hover over it. It'll do it for you, right? Let's see. Format code. Ah. That's super cool. All right, so okay. Wow, that's super cool. So we have a target equals no track, semicolon, cipher equals rail. Interesting. Let's try that out and I'll explain what I just did. Dope. All right, so I had to do a lot of research. I'm not too adept or too talented with Ghidra, but I was reading this blog. I'll show you the title regarding Ghidra. So what I did pretty much, where's the part? I used something called clear code bytes. All right, which again resets the bias and it made it to a human readable string, right? Because as you've seen before I used it, it was just, in a different format, wasn't really readable. So I did a clear code byte to make it readable, if that makes sense, right? Again, this is one of those labs where you're gonna have to use Google a lot, see what the heck you're doing. I know personally, defenders going through this event, they were stuck on this part, so yeah. And here's a Ghidra cheat sheet as well too for those that need it. All right, let's get back. All right, question 5. What is the function name that is used as an execution guard? I know when I ran Ice Magic, it wasn't an issue by itself, but then it says usage Ice Magic file, and that's when I try to run employee. And there was an error, like, just look at that one more time. What is the function name? So, I'm taking some programming classes, so trying. Let's see, function name. So we have ivarl check current month. Hold on, I'm gonna be right back. All right, just looking up ivarl. Software reverse engineering framework. It can be used to store users' input. All right, so I think this is it right here because it is used as an execution guard. If you do, it says else ivarl check current month, which I assume would be the month of the computer. If varl equals 0, put try again at a later date, right? That is a function that is used as an execution guard, if I'm reading that correctly. Let's just give it a shot. I mean, actually, looking at the format, look at the format, actually. Your underscore function underscore here. That's the only one I could see. I mean, CFR. Yeah, let's try that out. That's the only one that's similar. And use formats to your advantage. If you're confused, hey, I'm not sure this is the answer or not. This looks kind of strange. Look at the format, because it might just give it away. I actually should have looked at that first instead of going everywhere, but I learned some cool things. So let's see if that's it. Sweet. What is the... Wow, look at question 6. So again, it helps to read the questions first. And this is something I use as a test taking technique. You'd be surprised how much it works, especially in college where you're taking a 70 question quiz, especially if it's on programming. Like my last one was on web dev. The further questions give you hints, they give you structure. Oh, this is that, that's that, and you could go back with that new information, answer it. When I was taking my SANS class exam, you couldn't do that. Once you answer a question, you cannot go back, and the reason they put that there is to prevent you from referencing, future questions. So that's really smart. So use that to your advantage. Yeah, look at this. What month is the function looking for? So that was the function month. I was doing too much. All right, question 6. What month is this function looking for? Let me see something real quick. Let's see. Display. Let me just get the listings up. There we go. Go on current month. Let me actually minimize this so you guys can see. See if we can find it here. Local 38. Is that month? Local 38 month. Return integer. Local 38. What is this? That looks very familiar. Let's see. I wonder if I could hover over it and it'll break it down for me again. Oh, that's right here. It did it last time. So in binary, so in decimal, that's 11. So let's see. Wait a minute. What is the format actually? What month is this function looking for? If we put November, although November's 11th month, in reality, wouldn't make much sense because the lab came out December. Hopefully that makes sense. But again, in binary, yeah. Let me just put December. December. All right, question 7. The ransom note can be dropped with a secret command. What's the command? Format string. Let's see something real quick. RDX. What's the string? Character ransom. Character ransom. All right. Ransom note can be dropped with a secret command. RDX, which is used here. External. Let's give that a shot. String. Okay. Ransom note file name. All right, I'm back. I went through a rabbit hole, wasted too much time. I remember I was telling you guys I was looking through ransom note. That's a dead end. Go to ransomware file. Double click this. Sorry if you hear lawnmowers in the back. But we're gonna get another like a view, which we could use the clear code bytes to the cipher. If this is the right view we're looking for, let me just double check. Yeah, hold on. Let me give this a shot. Actually, hold on, let me do the whole thing. Let me stop there. So we have RNO dot ZAS MTT. Now, never heard of this type of extension, to be honest. It's probably a real extension. Alright, I'm back. I'm about to run out of lab time, man. This is definitely a medium lab. So what I did here, guys, I made a grave error over here. I thought this was the answer, so I'm like, wait, what kind of extension is this? So I looked up this. Do not look up this extension. It will bring you to a bad site. I might throw a clip in. It was hilarious. So I'm like, wait, hold on. It's human format, but it's not readable. I remember seeing something about was it encryption? Oh no, sorry, Cypher. I remember seeing something about Cypher here. So you know what? I threw these into CyberChef, which is one of those tools which I don't even think it's labeled on the platform. I could be wrong. I think it was just Ghidra and like Notepad or something. So through this in CyberChef, you can use whatever. Again, you can use Cypher on your local host, or you can use whatever you want. So I threw it in CyberChef, and I got ransom txt, which actually, take a look over here. Yeah, so it uses this kind of algorithm, railfin cipher decode. Never heard of it, but interesting one. So we're gonna try that out. Ransom txt. All right, question 9. What is the ransom payment address? Format string. Took a long time, but I went to ransom note, right? I ran a, oops. What the heck's going on? Clear code bytes, and it broke down the string to this. Oops, sorry for the ping. Now what I want to do, where is it? Where's the option at? I could have sworn there was an option here. Oh, hold on. You know, I want to actually copy the byte string because it's a lot. Again, it's just like the last question. It's human string, but it's not understandable, and that's a lot actually. So I'm gonna copy this. All right, still copying. Don't want to let go of my click. And I'm just gonna throw this in CyberChef and see what, man, this is a lot. This is a lot. Hey, let me go down a little bit. See if I can, oh, wait. Stop there. Should be an option to copy. No. I could have sworn there was an option to copy. Oh, man. Copy the byte string. All right, so I copied the byte string, put it in CyberChef. It's coming out weird. Let's see. Let me get rid of the null terminator. Hold on. There we go. Yeah, so that's something you gotta watch out for when you do copy it over. You include the null terminators, these last three. It could have the output looking strange, so I got scared. Again, we're using the same algorithm, railfin cipher decode. Up the key to 3, right? And leave the offset at 0, and you should get readable strings. Let's see what it says here. Goblin's greeting. We have frozen your precious files. If you ever want to see them again, deposit 100 imaginary gold coins into the falling virtual cave. Don't even think about involving the pixel police. They won't catch us. Payment instructions, convert real money to imaginary gold cane. Time is ticking. Fail to comply and your files will be scattered across the tracks. Crown Pawn. Remember how I was telling you about Crown Pawn earlier? Yeah. What was the question, man? It's been a while. Let's see. So, not too familiar with the Bitcoin thing, but it looks like this might be the address. Let's copy that. Pretty dope lab so far. I like it. It's quite advanced for me, but really good. Let me see right here. Yep. Oh, I skipped 10. I gotta go back to 10. Let me just get 11 real quick. Ah, man. All right, question 11. What mode is used to retarget files? Character, file name, character, modes. 8. Let's try WB. Nice. Which function is used to determine the target file size? This is for question 12. So again, I had to do a lot of preparation for this. So if you try to copy this out, because my plan is to put it in ChatGPT, right? And again, if I copy it out, it stops here because of the character limit. So what I did, and this is a technique for you guys to take, implement in other labs, copy it within the lab. Then I went to CyberChef, generated a QR code. So what I'm going to do, dang it. I'm going to, all right, I'm going to screenshot this. I have a, I have a barcode reader on my other screen, so I'm about to put it in there. Oh, you guys gotta see this. You guys gotta see this. Hold on. Give me a sec. So as you can see, I put the barcode reader here, right? And there we go. Copied the clipboard. And then we're good to go. Wow. We're good to go. This is crazy. All right, back in the lab. So this is the plan here. Now I'm going to take that code and import it in ChatGPT to break it down for me. So we're going to do this. Break down this code for me, :space. So it's written in C. Interesting. I found it. FTEL. FTEL, this determines the file size. Sorry, determines the size of the file in bytes by getting the offset from the beginning file. Wow. Crazy, crazy. Woo! So we got our answer. Let's put it in here. That's crazy. FTEL. There we go. Man. These medium labs are no joke. Question 13. What are the magical numbers that identify this encrypted file? We got another one right here that goes into... Oops, I didn't get the... Ouch. I didn't grab this. As you can see, something about encryption. You just copy this. I don't think any of the functions, talk about encryption. So, CyberChef. The same thing as I did last time. puts in that barcode. Let me actually. See, it gives us a way to break down the magic numbers. So let's see. It reads one element of 7 bytes. 7 bytes. So all right, we're in our terminal. Let's run this command. Let me see. XXD against, what is it called? Employees. All right, so we can see the, oops. All right, so you can see it in this format. So as we know, it's encrypted. So we're looking at it from the hex string. So remember, it talked about reading the first 7 bytes from the file, right? So the first 7 will be, let's see, 1. Let me highlight it. So that's 4. Right. Let's see. There we go. All right, so we got the first 7 bytes. Now 7 characters, 7 bytes. I know people are like, whoa, that's. I'm actually counting. That's 15. 7 bytes. All right. Do we need to add? I think we need to add the 0x, and then we'll paste that in there. Oh, wait. Let me put those together. There we go. Man, this lab is... I've been on this lab for the last... what, 3 hours? Let's see. After decoding the encrypted employee details, what is the candy cane? What is Candy Cane's occupation? What we'll do here, let's we won't need these codes again. Let's do what is the method called? Standard key. Use Zor. Put the key in real quick. Oh shoot! I forgot I'm on Mac. Standard. We could just throw the file in here, or we could just get the text. Hold on. Let me clear this. Open folder. Oh, hold on. Add files input. That's what I was looking for. Employee details. Open. Damn, dude, what the? This is crazy. Santa Claus, Claus email. Candy cane. She's a sweet treat expert. Dude, this is crazy. Sweet treat expert. This is crazy. It's crazy because that initial file and the artifacts end up being the last question. Wow. Finish the lab. That is freaking crazy. Yeah, it's been like 4 hours. What time is it? Yeah, it's definitely been 3 hours. Just researching, trial and error. Hopefully this video was informative on this RE lab. Again, this is way beyond my pay grade, or skill grade, I should say. This is challenging, but it was a good one. So shout out to all that were able to complete it when the lab was live. So yeah, let's close out. Again, thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe to never miss a video. Meantime, remember to join our Discord and tune in every Friday at 6 p.m. BST for BTLO Replay. Thanks everyone, and see you next time. Peace.